You're interested in learning how to draw in the Japanese art style kawaii, but you have no idea where to start? This is the perfect spot. Welcome to Designing Kawaii Worlds on Domestika. Introducing Becky Cass, professional illustrator, online shop owner, and based in Switzerland. She creates these eye-catching worlds of cuteness all around. In this course, we'll be learning our personal style, finding our inspirations, sketching our ideas, and practicing, a list of all of our art materials, tips for an artist's Instagram, and even how to end up with your own merchandise to sell to your friends. You can also do the exercises and download the resources. After this course, if you're still looking for further practice, try out her Instagram art challenges. Starting off with practice, it was so fun to do these faces. Following up with our Pinterest mood board. This is my creation board and I'm so excited. I'm going to try 2 separate drawings. Adding in a spooky theme. I'm a Procreate beginner. And my end goal is to create my first sticker. Alright, now that we have everything set, we'll start with the sketches. I noticed a big difference between my first drawing and my second drawing. So if you're a Procreate beginner like I am, you'll start to get into the flow easier as you learn all the tools. Sketches all made, now we jump into outlining. As I got comfortable with Procreate in the second sketch, I started using more tools to help cut time in half. As I got more comfortable with Becky's teachings, I started making my own workflows. This reminds me of a quote that has always stuck with me. Learn the rules like a pro, so you can break them like an artist. Pablo Picasso. Next stage we have is color filling. As a Procreate beginner, I didn't realize you can drag and drop color, so I was faster the second time around. The final stage and best part is adding the details and watching it pop. This is the best time to experiment with your creativity. Before I show you how the stickers came out, let's overview the experience. I got to finally learn the basics of Procreate. Came away with improving my workflow. I learned a new art style. The course was very easy to follow. Overall, it took me 2 days. I finally made a sticker for my Etsy shop. So I highly recommend you check out this art course and see what absolutely cute kawaii worlds you come up with. The link to the class is in the description. Now it's time to see the results. Ta-da! These are some cute stickers. And check out these cutout spots. It adds more of a holographic touch to your artwork. And these candles are ridiculously cute. They should be an enamel pin. I am absolutely glad I cut out the cat, and I've always wanted to try a bottle. I think that the candle pumpkin and the bubbles and the candle should be their own enamel pins. Let me know what you think in the comments below.